Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. And welcome back once again to a pizza build series that we're doing where we're building pizzas. So today, if you're not familiar, we're not going to be making the dough or the sauce. There's a link underneath for both of those, and the videos for them will pop up at the end. We are just going to build the pizza today. We're going to make a green pizza or pizza verde. We're using spinach, peas and green beans. Delicious. Let's get our dough into our tray. Okay, so you saw me just get that dough together into the tray. If you're going to use my recipe, you're going to get two 12-inch size pizzas like this. Let's get some sauce on there. 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of this no cook. It's no cook sauce. This is really simple. And again, as with the dough, there's a link underneath for this sauce, and the video is going to pop up right at the end. Spread that around. I don't like to go crazy with the sauce, so I just find 3 tablespoons adequate for this size pizza. We're going to go with some mozzarella. I'm using block mozzarella, which I've cut into slices. Again, if you want, you can be using the grated one, grated mozzarella, which I sometimes use. I actually prefer this stuff than the grated, but sometimes not available for me. One more piece here, one there, a little bit there, a little bit there. Okay, now we're going to get some lovely veggies on there. So I've got some spinach here, fresh spinach that I cooked. Washed it really well, you know, you have to wash spinach really well. It's got kind of sand and grit in it. Just a little bit more of that. Wonderful stuff. Then I'm going to go for some green beans or long beans or French beans, whatever you call them. Now, of course, if you want to make this vegan, you can get that cheese off there and just add a little bit more sauce maybe. And our last one, we're going to go for some peas. I've got some garden frozen peas, which I've just put into some warm water to defrost them. Beautiful, really beautiful. A veggie delight. Next up, some Parmesan cheese. I've got some grated Parmesan, which I'm putting on there. A couple of teaspoons worth. Oregano, dried, or oregano, whatever you call that, wherever you come from, on the top. That's going to go into my preheated oven, which is on full blast, maximum heat. Get that in your oven. Going to be about 6 minutes. See you then. Okay, and there you go. That was 6 minutes in my oven, full blast. Beautiful. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Leave us a comment. Check us out on the other social media. Have a lovely day. Lots of love.